I was looking for an image to show you what brown fat is and help you understand what exactly the cells are. I don't know, maybe you wanted to know. I like to think of the brown fat nestled away in little giblets. So if you are doing cold plunge, does it behoove you to go at least all the way down to your neck? I don't know, but if you look at where the brown fat is, maybe. When they're looking at cold immersion, they are looking at the muscles, the large muscles shivering, so your pecs, and the brown fat is nestled in the giblets at the top. Giblets is not a real word in the reference to humans. I'm making it up, that part. So the brown fat is very metabolically different than white fat. And here is a perfect example of where brown fat lives in your body when you look at a closer level, what the cells look like, and it has mitochondria. It is a very active fat that acts more like muscle, eating up your glucose, making your body more metabolically active, and it is pretty cool. Now there is white fat, which would be your visceral fat and fat throughout your body. There is also beige fat. Right now I'm specifically talking about brown fat. So anyway, I thought you'd like to see what the cells look like. Now when we compare brown fat, white fat, and beige fat to each other, so brown fat burns things, so the thermogenesis, okay, so that's why we're talking about it changes your metabolism. White fat burns nothing, it is energy storage. And the beige fat, which also burns. Notice at the top, the composition is different. Remember in the other picture how there was mitochondria in the brown fat? Now look at the sad little white fat where it has a big old lipid. That big white glob is just a fat glob. In the brown fat, the globs are tinier with more mitochondria and a nucleus. They all have nucleuses. But look at the white fat versus brown fat, and then you see the little fun beige fat. Beige fat is a whole nother video. I'll talk about that later. Hit the plus sign for more women's health and wellness tips. Bye.